It's well known that car insurance rates keep climbing, but did you know tariffs on auto parts and new cars could be a major reason why? If tariffs are placed on the companies that supply vehicle parts to the US, the cost to repair and replace cars will go up, and so will your insurance premiums. Today, I'll break down why this is happening and what you can do to protect yourself. Hi, I'm Tia, and at Trailstone Insurance, we believe in keeping you informed. Tariffs, meaning extra taxes on imported auto parts, will more than likely increase repair costs, used car prices, and ultimately your insurance premiums. So let's get into why this is happening and how you can protect yourself. So, most people don't realize this, but nearly 6 out of every 10 auto replacement parts in the US are imported from Mexico, Canada, and China. When tariffs are placed on these parts, their prices go up. And when the cost to repair a car increases, so do insurance claim payouts. Insurance companies don't immediately raise rates. There's a delay, but over time, as the cost claims rises, insurers adjust their pricing to stay profitable. And that's when you see your premiums go up. Tariffs also affect the cost of new cars. So if a new vehicle price goes up, more people turn to the used car market, which drives up demand, and prices for used vehicles do too. So why does that matter for insurance? Well, because when a car is totaled, the insurance company has to pay the actual cash value. And if the value of the used car rises, that means higher payouts for insurance companies. Again, they eventually pass that cost on to consumers. So, one tricky part about insurance pricing is the delay between cause and effect. Insurers will raise rates based on potential risks. So, while tariffs on steel, aluminum, and semiconductors may be months off, the impact on your insurance bill may be seen in your next renewal. So, this is why we're starting to see double-digit increases in auto insurance rates again, even though inflation in other areas has started to slow. So, is there anything that can help on your insurance rates? Well, some factors could help, like insurers slowing rate hikes to stay competitive, but right now, we don't see major relief in sight, especially with the potential for more tariffs from the Trump administration. So, what can you do? Well, here are 4 ways to keep your costs in check. First, shop around. Let Trailstone shop your rates with more than 40 insurance carriers and raise your deductible. It lowers your monthly bill, but be sure you can afford it first. And look for discounts. Many insurers offer safe driver or bundling discounts. And consider usage based insurance. If you drive less, you might save with a pay per mile plan. At Trailstone, as mentioned, we work with multiple carriers to find you the best rate no matter what's happening in the market. Unfortunately, tariffs will more than likely make car insurance more expensive in the short term, but now you know why. If you have any questions or you need a free policy review, reach out. We're happy to help, and thanks for watching.